One of the best kept secrets in lean anabolic gains is actually a natural amino acid injected. Let me explain. L-Carnitine is a very commonly known amino acid that's actually typically associated with fat loss. Because yes, it does shuttle fatty acids into the mitochondria, which the mitochondria uses fat for energy. So it will actually help with some fat loss. But what we love it more about at the Alpha Male Clinic is actually lean muscle gains. What L-Carnitine specifically does is it creates thicker, denser androgen receptors within the muscle that actually makes it grow. One of the ways it does that is it actually allows the muscle to uptake more blood. Well, more blood into the muscle means bigger pumps at the gym. Well, that's what we're trying to do at the gym. We're actually trying to pump the muscle enough to where we create hypertrophy. Hypertrophy is when the muscle fibers get so swollen that they actually tear a little bit. Well, then your muscles actually grow and repair from those tears. That's what we're doing at the gym. Well, L-Carnitine is going to massively increase your pumps at the gym, your recovery periods, and your lean gains, because it's gaining with also burning fat at the same time. Now, there's a specific regimen to do this the right way. Is you actually inject every day for a week. This is called your loading period. Now, you don't do this with a big needle. This is a tiny insulin needle you put into the thigh, but you load and you inject every day. And then after the first week, when we've raised your body's level, it's just a once a week maintenance dose. And this is actually a very affordable therapy. Now, you might be asking yourself, why can't I just take capsules like I always have for carnitine? Little known fact is that approximately 4% of that capsule you take actually goes where it's supposed to. The other 96% actually is just passed through your digestive system. This is why whenever you have an opportunity to inject your vitamins, you should do it because of what's called bioavailability, it going where it needs to go. So this is the difference. And like I said, not an expensive therapy. Give us a call. We'll talk to you more about it.